अगर बाजीगर आ जाती तो then इसके क्या बढ़िया एडिट्स बनते. वो गाना है ना कि was everything a lie, was this also a lie, and then like you know शाहरुख खान उसके पप्पा को मार रहा है, खुद मर रहा है. काजोल is now wondering कि did he love me or not, and then वो नारियल वाला scene, was that also a lie, was
I
this
have
also
no idea what
a
you're
lie?
talking about,
no
but
idea.
yeah, exactly.
But, I respect this.
Yeah.
Is amazing. You already thought of real edits for a film that doesn't exist. But who is the song by? Now I want to learn.
I don't think there is a song like this, but I'm saying
We got invited to perform at Shilpa Shetty's birthday
Okay.
as surprise act. So I made a joke about Shilpa Shetty and she laughed and I was like, this is fucking amazing because I saw this stupid movie when I was a child and I'm making joke about it to you and you're laughing in my head. It was crazy. I feel like if Karan Saxena was around Twitter, he'd be sharing Andrew Tate reels. Sala मैं इतना सब किया लड़की को ना सिर्फ ये bad boy चाहिए.
yes.
I follow the law. I have a mustache and I can sing like Vinod Rathod. देखो गोद भराई पे शायद ना बजे काली काली आंखें. Like
अनारकली का फोन है, हैज इट एज वेल सुनने जाना है. Hello and welcome to Has It Aged Well. That was a quote from the 1993 film Bazigar. It was very तोड़ मरोड़ के I made the quote. I replaced ice cream with the name of our podcast. But there were so many options to go for the quote. There was Madan Chopra, Sailab aane wala hai. And I was like, should I replace Sailab with Has It Aged Well? Wouldn't have the same rhyme. But to talk about Bazigar, pot with vibrations.
Yeah.
But to talk about Bazigar with me in the studio is my co-host Urjita Vani.
Namaste, hello.
And we thought, who's the most Bazigarish person that we can get
No.
to talk about the film?
No.
So someone who can be who's around my age group, because we're going to nerd out a lot about the 90s on this episode. So you've seen him on various videos, you've seen him on podcasts, you've seen him on stage. Please welcome to Has It Aged Well, writer, comedian, and overall fun person, Mr. Ashish Shakya.
Thank you. I loved both the introduction options. ऐसे आदमी को बुलाया जो बाजीगर है. Actually वो बुड्ढा है. इसलिए बुलाया.
But Ashish, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Ashish is thinking मैं शाहरुख खान की वाइब देते हैं मदन चोपड़ा की. Wrong answer, Shilpa Shetty.
Shilpa Shetty. I wish. I'm wearing all black. It is literally the opposite of what Shilpa Shetty wears. I think she wears colors that are not in the visible spectrum. Like bees were laughing at her in that movie. I love the
Nice.
fashion in that movie.
Yeah,
We have to talk about. No, I think मैं वैसी वाइब देता हूँ कि ये आदमी तो लड़कियों को बिल्डिंग से फेंकता ही होगा. Of course. ये सिंगल क्यों है? इसकी लास्ट हाँ वो. She was very down to earth.
Wow. Okay.
Hey.
5 minutes into the show.
Hey, we are not saying anything. This
Yeah,
could be
yeah.
a joke or a confession. We don't know.
Don't Google Ashish Shakya building top.
Don't Google Ashish Shakya Young Girls Terrace.
Wow.
You didn't have to add young. That's from your side. My joke was about murder. You took it in a way worse place.
But Bazigar, directed by Abbas Pastan, starring Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, the first pairing of Shah Rukh and Kajol, which went on to be legendary, introducing Shilpa Shetty. One of the most viral clips of Johnny Lever are scenes from this film. There's also a lot of smaller characters that we will come to are very interesting. Dalip Tahil plays a very sinister villain. So Ashish, 1993, who were you? What were you doing? Do you remember watching Bazigar?
Who was
Who
I?
were you?
Bro, in
Wow.
2024, I don't know who I am. In 1993, I was... 1993, I was not watching Bazigar.
Right.
Like, I didn't watch it then. I watched it much later. But I became a Shah Rukh fan sometime in the mid to late 90s. And then eventually caught up on all the movies, I think. DDLJ, I mean, Chamatkar is the one I remember watching
Right.
first.
Oh,
And then,
okay.
like, DDLJ was the other big influence. And then Beach mein Bazigar, all that happened. So, 93 I didn't watch. But when I did watch it, oh my God. Oh my God. So much fun.
Right.
So much fun.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's a thriller.
Yeah.
It's a thriller. He's doing cool shit. There's car racing. There's a twist in the middle. There's great songs. Yeah. And action.
Yeah.
At that age, I just want to watch action movies.
Right.
ज़्यादा कुछ चाहिए नहीं. क्राफ्ट कुछ नहीं. आदमी मार रहा है बस. उसमें काफी मारपीट है.
Yeah, काफी. It's a way more gruesome movie than I thought it was.
Yeah?
Because at one point, I totally forgot that it's implied that Shah Rukh has, rather the Shah Rukh's character has cut a woman up in pieces, put her in a suitcase and then disposed of her body. I was like, I do not remember.
That was actually really brutal
Yeah,
for a Hindi
yeah.
movie, mainstream Hindi movie.
Yeah.
I think I remember around that time, 100 Days was one
Yes.
where there was some stuff like that felt creepy. And then this suitcase situation
Yeah.
with Anjali. Man,
Yes.
that was, yeah. and that was a cold scene because he then chops her up or breaks her bones or whatever.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah,
how you do it.
yeah.
I only throw women off buildings. I don't know how to put in suitcase and all. Okay, please. It's a specialized skill.
Somehow it's way more scary that they don't show what he did with
Yeah,
the body.
exactly,
They
exactly.
just show up with
And
the
then
suitcase.
he just drags the suitcase
Yeah,
out of the hotel.
yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Urjita,
Yeah.
had you seen Bazigar before?
So as a child I had seen it,
Okay.
maybe on Z
It's
Cinema
totally a
वगैरह.
children's movie, yeah.
Yeah. तो ऐसे थोड़ा bits and pieces में देखा होगा and I just remembered कि there are 2 actresses in the film. शाहरुख खान एक को उड़ा देता है and दूसरी वाली के my question was it is so fucking
Uda
silly.
Deta is actually in this context. Yeah.
So my it is very silly because the child me, even while watching the film, I had a doubt. Okay, पर वो काजोल से सच्चा प्यार करता है कि नहीं? That was my only concern. Like to hell with his history, his all murders. पर काजोल से प्यार करता है कि नहीं?
That's so sweet. Urjita is a romantic.
And I remember, so before I put on the film, so I was in that haze only कि अच्छा, and I was like कि हाँ पर ये किससे प्यार करता है? Like I've completely forgot it's a thriller. इसमें murder हो रहा है and I'm like हाँ पर वो काजोल से प्यार. Like that was my situation. Like I question कि find out if he loves Kajol or not.
Urjita watches Fatal Attraction be like वैसे Glenn Close प्यार तो करती थी.
Yeah, मैं
माना कि उसका कुछ उबाल या मर्डर.
yeah. मैं GTA Vice City देखते टाइम बोलती अल्टीमेट मिशन मस्ट बी अ गर्ल ओनली टू गेट अ गर्ल. या हेलीकॉप्टर में लड़की रहेगी उसके.
That's so sweet. So that is a great way to watch.
Yeah, but no, I watched it for the first time properly yesterday and well,
You have opinions.
I have many opinions about
Okay.
it, but
Please
yeah.
give.
वो तो
Give me like a broad takeaway that you had from the film.
So first of all, there are many knife characters in the film. Many knife characters.
characters?
Knife
Naive.
characters.
I was
Naive.
Chaku.
There are some
नहीं,
knifed here.
There
Many.
are
Okay.
many, yeah.
हाँ,
Including
okay.
everybody shows some or the other ऐसे innocence, moments of innocence in the film,
Yeah.
which just left me dumbstruck. कि काजोल तेरे बाप को ये मारने वाला है. काजोल इसने तेरी बहन को मारा, बहन की दोस्त को काटा, और फिर भी जब भी वो तुझे अपनी स्टोरी सुना रहा है, your reaction is पापा आप बुरे हैं. And even though we know this is the truth, कि हाँ इसके साथ ये बैक स्टोरी होती है, I'm like, how do you know he's not lying again? How are
Because
you
he
believing?
showed her as his mother.
There is
Who's
visual
lying,
exposition
yeah.
also. The newspaper with the
News-
Chopra cancelled out so that she knows Chopra cancelled Sharma. Oh, correct.
But I feel like जो आदमी मुझसे अपने आइडेंटिटी के बारे में झूठ बोल सकता है, वो और कितनी चीजों के बारे में झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. I would never trust him after
देखो
that.
इसलिए काजोल ने किया बिकॉज उसके टाइम पे ना इंस्टाग्राम टिकटॉक नहीं था.
हाँ, exactly.
क्योंकि उसके बिना काजोल को कैसे पता रेड फ्लैग क्या है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अगर कोई नाचते नाचते ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर बताए नहीं कि ऐसा रेड फ्लैग नहीं मालूम ना उसको. So dumb. But you're right. Naivety is the thing
So
that
are you
stands
saying
out.
Instagram and TikTok पे नाच के बताने वाले लोग are actually helping people out? Is that
If
so?
you are that level where you need an influencer to tell you what is a red flag, then
Well-
you know what, take the help. Like I'm not even going to judge you at that point.
By the way, this film sort of warned us about Facebook because it literally has a
Yes.
song called किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने मगर किसी का चेहरा कभी पढ़ा है. So yeah, Facebook.
Yeah.
और
Also,
मार्क जकरबर्ग अपने
the
पेरेंट्स के घर में
resurgence-
कोडिंग करते हुए
Yeah, the
hang on.
resurgence of this exact same line was done in another Amir Khan film, Rang De Basanti. चेहरे की किताबें हैं, हम वो बन
By
के
then,
आते हैं.
Facebook had come, right? 2000.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry, I was just
नहीं,
being factual for no reason.
just चालू होता, but India में I don't think आया था. I don't think
Okay.
आया था India में.
But no, I want to quickly address, like, go back to this naive point also because that's the one thing that struck me when I was rewatching it. Is that he tells Shilpa Shetty, okay, it's part of his master plan
Yeah, okay.
that let's write a suicide note because your parents are not going to agree. तेरी शादी fix हो. एक
Yeah.
arranged marriage meeting हुआ था.
हाँ.
एक, okay.
Yeah.
Shilpa Shetty, no spine, nothing. No backbone, like no ki I try talking to nothing. One arranged marriage guy. Hey, you should kill yourself.
Yeah.
Yep, cool.
Yeah.
Writes it, signs it,
And my problem
and then he's
is-
like, "Lol, bakra." Psych. She's like, "Oh, I still
And
want to marry
very
this guy."
conveniently he tears off his note and he eats नहीं वो ये वाली note अंदर रख देता है and शिल्पा तभी भी उसको पूछती नहीं है. So like see अभी this whole situation of Shilpa agreeing to like get killed, agreeing to commit suicide, वो मैंने थोड़ा if girls from underprivileged background, I have seen them do that like in news and all. शिल्पा underprivileged किसी भी एंगल से नहीं थी. उसको थोड़ा तो सेंस होना चाहिए था ना. I don't know why.
But like you just said, everybody's so naive in this film. So she just thought.
yeah.
Dude, even Shah Rukh Khan, Vicky Malhotra और Ajay Sharma
Yeah.
is also just kind of YOLO. उसका plan है YOLO.
Yeah.
Vibes
Yeah.
देखेंगे जो होगा देखेंगे.
Yeah.
Because he's going to Bombay.
Right.
His backstory is not decided yet.
Huh.
If he was a proper conman, he would decide a backstory.
Right.
He's going to Bombay. Suddenly he meets his friend from Bachpan and he's
Yeah.
like, oh, I'm going to use his backstory. His parents are conveniently died. ये पहले नहीं सोच सकता था.
Yeah.
उसके घर में न्यूज़ नहीं था कि उसने नहीं देखा कि प्लेन क्रैश हुआ. ये मेरा backstory हो सकता है. But ठीक है.
Yeah.
Then his plan hinges on two very improbable things. Both the daughters have to be single.
Right.
They have to be straight because उस टाइम बॉलीवुड में गे लोग नहीं थे. तो वो ठीक है, चलो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ये
But-
लोग थे ना, पर वो जोक के लिए
हाँ,
बोल
वो
रहे
जोक
थे।
के लिए
नहीं,
होते
तेरा
थे.
नाम
हाँ,
जे मेरा है या
lesbians
गे
तो नहीं
मेरा
थी.
है? Yeah,
हाँ,
lesbian
lesbian तो
थे.
नहीं थी.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और बाई मतलब तो शाहरुख
बाई
को-
था सिर्फ, बाई नहीं था.
तो उन्होंने वो नहीं सोचा. That's
Yeah.
fine. But both of them have to be single and
Yeah.
both of them he has to patao. That was the basis of his plan.
Yeah.
That's very and it also hinges on the fact that Madan Chopra, who has stolen this company
Right.
30 years ago, 20 years ago, whatever, has forgotten how he stole it. So he does the same thing
Same thing again, yes.
What? What?
Yeah.
How do you master businessman Madan Chopra and you just forgot?
Power of
Yeah.
attorneys used to be a big thing in the 90s. Somehow they've gone out of fashion.
Because of this
And you
movie.
say this with your great legal expertise. I just want to see Abbas go to a lawyer's office and be like, तो अभी भी power of attorney बना रहे हो? चूतिया है क्या? That's so 90s, guys. Come on. What is this stamp paper?
Because
You-
the thing is, last week we discussed BV number 1,
Huh.
and if you remember, that has a very crucial plot point where shares are in favor of Karishma 51% to 49%. Okay.
Okay.
So that as a kid back then in 1997 or whatever, it's the first time I found out that even if 2% का advantage हुआ आपके पास, you can call the shots in a company.
Yeah.
So the point I'm making is we used to get our legal advice from
Power of
Hindi-
attorney, you're right though. We
Yeah.
learnt it. That's still in
Yeah.
fashion. But power of attorney, first time I learnt it there. Yeah, that was actually very
Yeah.
educational.
Also, this movie is first time I knew the power of contact lenses. That if you use contact lenses, your entire identity can change.
Yeah, that
and
is
that
true.
one scene where he's looking for his contact lens is so anxiety-inducing, guys.
Yeah, that's a great scene.
Yeah.
It's a great scene. I think one unrealistic thing in the movies, if you look at the kid,
Yeah.
Ajay Sharma, I'm just surprised he didn't grow up and become Ajit Agarkar. Because उसका शक्ल तू bowling क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? तू 6 बार डक क्यों नहीं? शाहरुख कैसे बन गया?
Ujita, did you get that reference?
I initially, when you said Ajit Agarkar, I thought he was talking about the actor with similar eyes. But when he said bowling, I was like, okay, no, it's a cricket player. Shit,
There's an
sorry.
actor called Ajit Agarkar.
Not actor, but I thought you were mentioning, talking
okay,
about
sorry, Ujita,
that
it's
guy
fine.
from Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani, the rapist from Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani. No.
Oh, that guy. Oh,
Yeah.
That's an
Yeah.
actor whose name I'm forgetting. He's passed away, unfortunately.
Yeah,
But he
yeah.
also had cat eyes and used to play a villain in a lot of films.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Some would say Agarkar played a villain in some of our lineups.
Yeah.
I don't know. मेरे को क्रिकेट के बारे में ज्यादा नहीं मालूम. मेरे को मत बोलना. Agarkar मेरे को अच्छा लगता था.
My
ठीक है?
answer also same, no difference. मुझे बस इतना पता है क्रिकेट के बारे में.
I remember a lot of people used to copy his bowling action. That I remember.
Not Ujita. She was copying the actors.
But this movie was a Diwali release, and I remember I went to watch this film with my family, not in Bombay, either in Bangalore or Hyderabad because we were on a holiday. And do you remember? Of course, Ujita might not, but do you remember did the trailers or anything give anything about Shah Rukh being a negative
I
character?
don't think they did from what
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
because I mean that time trailers used to be like 45 minutes
Exactly,
long or something
yeah.
stupid like that. I don't think they did. From what I've read about the movie and when it came out, it was a massive surprise to the audience, which it was supposed to be. I mean,
Yes.
anybody has half a brain, you're not going to put in the trailer.
So my sister at this
yeah.
point is already Lattu over Shah Rukh Khan because he'd been in Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman and a couple of those movies. And we went to watch the movie and we were watching the movie. And then an hour, 5 minutes in, that scene comes where they're on the rooftop.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and Shah Rukh is being playful and everything. And I'm 5-6 years old at this point. And I remember, firstly, I did not remember this was a UA certificate or an A certificate because, like I said, it's a pretty gruesome
It's
movie.
a theater वाले को करके कुछ खिला देंगे सर्टिफिकेट.
अरे बच्चों को वापस लेके जाएंगे. हाँ, exactly.
अरे बच्चा नहीं बौना है, जाने दो ना.
And like when the moment happens where he flips her over, I was crestfallen. I was like, why is Shah Rukh Khan doing this? Why is he? Did he actually? And till few minutes after that, I kept wishing that Shilpa will come back. Shilpa will come back. This is a ruse, okay? Of course, he'll come. But it did not.
नीचे trampoline है यार. She'll
Something
come
like
back.
that. And then it just goes like he keeps murdering people
Great
over
film
and
to
over.
teach kids about the impermanence of life.
Yeah, of course.
And I remember Dar came out the same year. Then Anjam comes out the next year. And then it's a this thing that nobody took this role except for Shah Rukh because people were like, why the fuck would we take this role, all that. And Shah Rukh made his mark as a negative character. For me, I think this is Shah Rukh's top 5 performances. Like
Oh, I
the
love
way,
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I was rewatching it last year just for fun because
Yeah.
it's been a while.
Yeah.
Divine का गाना सुना था.
Exactly.
Comfort watch ही है.
I really love
It-
Shah Rukh in
yeah.
that one scene. Of course, the scene in which everybody loves him is when he goes from pain to smile and laughing, and Madan Chopra is like, "What the fuck is happening?" And then he just stabs him with the same bhala or whatever iron rod,
Yeah.
जो भी उसके अंदर है. That I was like,
My
yo,
one of my favorite
great
scenes is
penetration scenes of all time.
oh yeah.
Double penetration.
That's how talking about no gay people in Bollywood in the 90s.
No one, but one scene I really enjoyed is a little bit before that is when Chopra figures out this has happened. He goes to
Yeah.
confront him in the cabin and he's sitting there wearing those
Yes.
sunglasses.
Yeah.
Those Ray-Ban tortoise shell, I think Wayfarers or something they were. Outstanding, very, very nice looking sunglasses. He's sitting there. And you know, like, as a kid you don't realize it, but when you watch it later, you're like, oh, I know why he's wearing the sunglasses at the start of the scene. Because at the end of the scene, he's going to
Yeah.
take them off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But उसमें एक लाइन है जो मतलब उसमें डायलॉग मजेदार है
बहुत।
मदन चोपड़ा is like
Yeah.
and he's like उड़ने की बात परिंदे करते हैं मदन चोपड़ा टूटे हुए पर नहीं यहाँ से whoa
And you have to say it like that.
Yeah, you have to say it
मेरी
like that.
आवाज में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ये डायलॉग.
but क्या करे यार उसमें every
Yeah.
time you do some iconic dialogues you have to do the voice
Of
right?
course, yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan is one for sure
I mean, Shah Rukh himself is doing that in films like Jawan now,
Yeah,
where
yeah,
he's going, yeah, exactly.
बाल
Ready.
पे हाथ लगाने
That
से
is his
पेट पे
template
हाथ
now.
लगाने
Yeah,
अभी वो
exactly.
ऐसी आवाज में आप बोल सकते हो भैया सूखा पूरी देना अजीब लगेगा. You can't do हल्की
से।
चीजें.
सूखा पूरी देना
So,
अच्छा
see?
लगेगा यार cool लगेगा
भैया
You
कुछ
know,
और.
What I loved about... sorry.
So, no,
Complete
never
your
mind.
joke.
कभी sorry
नहीं, sir.
भैया I was just saying भैया सूखा पूरी नहीं कोई और जेवर वगैरह दे देगा. I don't know. It's going to say something.
Jeweler plays a very important part in this movie
Yes.
where he comes
Yeah.
and reveals something.
Yeah.
But I was like the simple things in the movie that the heroine wants nariyal pani. She doesn't have big demands. The college that they go to is a simple college where the paint is peeling off the
अरे
walls.
नारियल पानी नहीं चाहिए था. She just needed a distraction.
Of course,
And
yeah.
नारियल पानी दिख रहा था. She's like ठीक है नारियल पानी
नारियल
लेके आओ. Yeah. So
So the big thing I saw from this film last night, I realized as a specific flair, that filmmaking flair that this film has, which I missed today. Like right from the title reveal, कि सिक्का उड़ा रहा है,
Yeah.
सिक्के पे freeze होके film का
Yeah.
नाम आ रहा है, right? During the action sequences where she's like मुझे मलाई चाहिए and he throws away the
Yeah,
thing,
and
it
it
bounces
comes
off the
back.
helmet, comes
Right.
back, right?
Yeah.
And then Shah Rukh gets that hero moment where he sees himself bleeding and like
Yeah,
fuck
and
it,
that's
now
when-
all
that's
bets
when
are
the
off.
lighting and music
Yes.
उसके
That
पहले
whole
तो
thing.
वही कुछ भी थ्री स्टूडेंट्स चल रहा था उसके पहले
अगर बाजीगर आ जाती तो then इसके क्या बढ़िया एडिट्स बनते. वो गाना है ना कि was everything a lie, was this also a lie, and then like शाहरुख खान उसके पप्पा को मार रहा है, खुद मर रहा है. काजोल is now wondering कि
Yeah.
did he love me or not, and then वो नारियल वाला scene, was that also a lie, was
I
this
have
also
no idea
a
what you're
lie?
talking about,
no
but
idea.
yeah, exactly.
But, no, I respect this.
Yeah.
Is amazing. You already thought of real edits for a film that doesn't exist. But that's
I'm
amazing.
saying, but this is like real edits. Like we try to like dumb down real edits by saying कि अरे नहीं ये तो base culture है. But इतना ज़्यादा pop
Basically,
culture
no,
में
I'm not being insulted.
Yeah.
I respect that because मेरा दिमाग वहाँ जाता ही नहीं कि
Exactly,
इस गाने पे
yeah.
ये footage डाल सकता है नहीं जाता मेरा
because
दिमाग.
like अभी movies पे discussion इसी के through हो रहा है
हाँ.
ना कि was everything a lie, because nobody likes to read anything on Quora now. Medium पे जाके कोई Hello Bob का बाजीगर references, बाजीगर controversial takes वो नहीं कर रहा है. People are like
But who is this song by? Now I want to learn.
I don't think there is a song like this, but I'm saying.
Oh, this is a trend. God. The trend. Is this a lie? Is a trend or what?
So I'm saying कि ऐसे versions मैंने देखे.
Yeah.
Was everything a lie? It's probably not.
Urjita wishes there was a song like that.
I don't know if it
Tell me,
is a song
Instagram
or
है
did
क्या?
I make this up. I'm not sure. But you know what I'm
I
talking
get what
about,
you're
right?
saying.
The
I get what
edits
you're
like
saying.
that.
Real
कि
edits. Yeah,
Was
No.
everything a lie? This.
Okay, fine, we get it.
It feels like I'm scrolling Instagram right now because every 3 seconds they're just popping up every 3 seconds. No, I get it.
The English translation for Bazigar is gambler, so it would be like every time something going on, gambler.
But Gambler sounds like
The first half
Also,
of
there was a film
Badshah.
called Gambler starring Govinda
the
in the
Govinda
90s.
and Amitabh Bachchan also played Gambler. But Gambler sounds like you can be good or bad.
Right.
Like Gambler would be a pura ghar aur gaya, wo gambler. Like
But
that
isn't
also
that
gets.
kind
Is
of
that what they sound like?
Yeah.
But isn't that the sort of
But Bazigar is like, I'll play hard and I'll win hard. Like high risk, high reward, except I'll nail the reward.
Yeah.
or in other words,
Like it's-
हार के
it's-
जीतने वाले को भी.
Yeah, basically Bazigar is Queen's Gambit.
Oh yeah.
Shilpa Shetty was the queen,
Correct.
sacrificed her, won.
Oh.
He won the company, bro.
It's like you set your game, you set the rules, I'll win it no matter what. It's like that.
That's Bazigar.
है ना? That's
Gambler is
yeah.
like
मैं भाई आवाज में बोल के
lost
दिखाओ.
my
Your
insulin
game,
money.
you set the rules and I win. No. मैं चुड़ैल sound.
I want to make more now. The real edits are in my head. Because visuals iconic है ना.
है ना?
Like you can make
Yeah.
comedic ones also. Like I'm not commitment phobic. मुझे माफ कर देना. Like one of those contrasting
Yeah.
वाला jokes.
Yeah.
Then क्या हो सकता है?
Yeah. I love how we have gone.
I think we should stop brainstorming on it because we already have a expert here to make reels.
Fair.
But like most Abbas Mastan films, this film was also inspired by a Hollywood film called A Kiss Before Dying, which does not have the exact same plot. In that, I think the negative character is purely like he doesn't have a redemption arc that he had he has a sick mother at home.
Oh, okay.
That whole thing is, and the origin story of this is Dalip Tahil saw this film on video and he loved it so much. He's like, I would like someone to remake this film and cast me in the lead. So he showed this to Abbas Mastan.
Nice.
And then Abbas Mastan were like, we'll cast you in the film, but not as
Not
the
as
lead,
lead.
obviously.
Oh wow.
Because Dalip Tahil, of course, was stereotyped as a villain at this point.
Yeah.
And then, of course, they went out looking for the lead actor. The lead role was offered to Akshay Kumar, who Abbas Mastan was very close at that time, to Amir Khan, to Salman Khan, who all rejected it, until Shah Rukh was like, I'll step in and do this
Yeah.
film. So I was talking about the big quote-unquote twist that comes when we see...
No, but let's talk
Sorry, yeah,
about
let's
the
talk-
actors.
Yeah.
No? I was like,
Why
do you
did
think,
they
huh.
reject it? Is it public knowledge? What is this?
Why did they reject
Yeah.
what?
The role?
So because it had that shades of negativity, where the character is literally committing murder. So then they were like, "Ke nahi, ye to image ke."
That's so
against
weird.
जा
I mean,
रहा है."
understandable because it's still weird that in Filmfare today we have that old category
Negative
of best
role.
villain or best negative.
Yeah.
पहले villain होता था.
Correct.
Then they changed it to negative
Yeah.
role. It's still dumb.
Yeah.
Like that could be a lead character. Why is it separate? Same with best
Yeah.
comic.
Right.
Right. So that demarcation I think must have played into their heads. Amir Khan was Chocolate
Of
Boy,
course.
Qayamat
Yes,
and
yes.
Dil and
Yeah,
all of
yeah.
that. Akshay Kumar had done Khiladi, which again, like
Correct.
really
Yeah.
fun, tight
Iconic.
film.
Yeah.
I think
But-
Amir Khan would have done a good job. Amir
Yeah.
Khan of not 90s but of the early 2000s.
That's what Amir then does Ghajini, which is kind of like in that zone where he's killing people.
Gaji
and-
he's still a
Gaji is
hero.
still a hero.
Has he played a negative? He's played one in Atanki Atank,
I haven't seen
which
that
is a remake of Godfather.
Oh,
But
okay.
apparently it's not good. Or am I confusing it? Bazi, one of those. When I
Wow.
think of Amir Khan as a negative character, I remember that Nagin wala movie which he's in which he's saying choose.
Yeah,
choose.
yeah, film, yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
one.
तुम मेरे हो. He wasn't playing a negative
I know,
role in
but
it.
like
yeah.
that's the one time I've seen him angry and say
Angry
crazy
and
shit
yeah,
on
yeah.
camera.
We had Imran Khan on our show,
Right.
and that movie came up.
Oh, nice.
And he was very casual. He's like, so yeah, he plays a serpent in the movie, and then in
Snake
our
charmer.
snake charmer,
Yeah.
and a snake charmer would come to our house, and then Amir would train with him for hours.
Bro.
Like talk about method.
Bro.
Maybe.
I think he was just bored at that point.
But maybe
90s था
that's
PlayStation
why.
नहीं था Netflix नहीं था सपेरे के साथ खेलेगा नहीं करना इतना मेथड तुम सपेरे what why is he coming to your house with a snake what is happening
Maybe that's why he never played a negative role.
yeah because he's like I'll have to learn
Then I won't be able to come
I have
back.
to learn how to throw a person off a building
Yeah.
then
Bazigar play करने के
G
लिए
square
बोलता है,
minus U square
suitcases
equals to
भेजो घर
GH
पे, yeah.
yeah
Yeah,
ये सब
that's
करना
why,
पड़ेगा
yeah. Yeah, sorry, you can move on now.
No, I want to talk about in the college that Shilpa Shetty goes to. There's this very weird bunch of people that she hangs out with. One of them is a Charlie Chaplin lookalike
Yeah.
who's just there for some reason.
Yeah.
There's also Raju Srivastava in the
Srivastava.
film who doesn't get any like comedic scenes.
in
as
older
such.
films you also used to do like a Bachchan-esque stuff
Yeah.
back in the day yeah it's just They're just there. That's one of the things that hasn't aged well, by the way. Clearly, any 90s movies will have this ensemble of time pass comedians.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
I
yeah.
understand if they are there in like dramatic films or tragic films, but ये thriller में क्या कर रहा है? Thriller
Because
में कौन comedy ढूंढ रहा
चाहिए
है?
ना।
Why? And also
उसका नाम चार्ली है.
yeah.
और मैं देख रहा था ना उसने यार देवानंद वाले नहीं लाए उसमें वो मिसिंग
Oh
रह
yeah.
गया वो मिसिंग रह
There's
गया
that one guy, I forgot his name.
yeah but the Charlie used to fucking shake
Yeah.
and the Raju Srivastava character was full desperate turkey
Also,
Yeah, and he was
Doctor-
North Indian. Like
Yeah.
he's
Also,
UP.
Dr. Hathi from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
He's in the movie?
Yeah, he's also
What does he
there.
play?
Like very small hit and miss role.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
And you still registered it.
Yeah, I registered it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you saying? You don't binge watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma in
oh
your spare
man
time?
you
You
know
don't
I'm
need
just
to
so
binge watch it. You
I
just
know, of
know.
course.
Yeah,
culturally
yeah.
out of touch
But
with-
dude, you know, Raju Srivastava was also there in Amdani Attanni Kharcha Rupaya, if I'm not wrong. Dude, when I watch all these actors in these older films, I'm like, कि man, imagine if not for Laughter Challenge. कि ये क्या करते आगे लाइफ में इनको कॉमेडी साइड रोल्स ही करना पड़ता है एंड देन इतना बड़ा ब्रेक मिला उनको
Right.
लाफ्टर चैलेंज में आके आई थिंक आई हैड सीन एहसान कुरैशी आल्सो इन सम फिल्म बिफोर ओल्डर फिल्म बट मैन जस्ट सो कूल
Raju Srivastava actually at this point was still selling out auditoriums
Yeah.
because I remember I grew up in Bhiwandi and he used to come there. There only has one hall called Minatai Thakre Hall and he used to sell out that place whenever he used to come.
आफ्टर लाफ्टर चैलेंज
No, before Laughter Challenge, 90s.
For
And he
real?
had a car at that point. Like Raju Srivastava used to come in a Maruti 800, which was a big deal back then.
Oh, bhai,
So he
okay.
was still selling out Audis at that time. Ehsan Qureshi maybe because he was from a smaller town, but the comedians who were in Bombay were still doing well.
Oh,
And his opening acts used to be Sunil Pal, Naveen Prabhakar, all these people.
Acha,
So
okay.
yeah.
Oh.
I also want to, of course, Rakhi is playing the mother, the evergreen.
I love this genre of Rakhi plays tormented
Bichara
mother of
mother.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
What a genre of
Yeah.
movie. Because Karan Arjun and this fucking outstanding.
Yeah,
और
before
कोई
Jaya
movie है?
Bachchan stepped in as the
हाँ,
as
तब
the
तो
mother.
happy movies
Of
था.
course, yeah,
तब तो
yeah,
happy
yeah,
movies था.
yeah.
But और कोई genre है क्या? और कोई movie है जिसमें same combination है?
Rakhi and Shahrukh?
Rakhi and Shah Rukh where
Karan
she-
Arjun?
Karan Arjun के
Yeah,
अलावा.
of course.
Karan Arjun is
के
the
अलावा
peak. Is the
Yeah.
peak of that.
Nothing is coming to mind
Yeah,
right now,
but
but I'm
those were
sure
two
there
bangers.
is.
Like
Yeah,
if you have to have those
yeah,
in your
yeah.
filmography, Karan Arjun and Basigar. I play Tormented Mother, Son Takes Revenge for me. Amazing.
I think the only movie in which Shah Rukh Khan does not have a tormented mother is Badshah because उसमें he has a funny mother who is constantly like bickering कि अरे तेरे बहू कब लाएगा काम का ठीक है बहू कब लाएगा that's very funny.
Basically, when he started doing happy films.
Yeah.
And that's the story. Now I was watching that documentary. I think उसमें बताते हैं the romantics.
yeah.
उसमें बताते हैं ना because I mean I would love to watch him and I know he's sick of hearing this and he has done stuff since then that is in that zone. But literally everyone for years has been telling him, "Sir, आप negative role क्यों नहीं करते?" I know he's sick of hearing it, but as a fan, I'm just like I want to watch more of that shit.
Yeah.
I want to watch more of that stuff.
Which
I
is
thoroughly
what-
enjoyed Jawan,
Huh.
but I want to watch. Like, I want to watch
Going
him play a serial
completely.
killer. I want to watch him play like a completely deranged monster.
But that's what, so when people had watched Jawan ka trailer, so he sounded like a psychopath in it, and which is what got everybody excited. Ki,
Yeah.
oh my god, my boy is playing a psychopath for the
Yeah,
first
everyone
time.
thought that one of them will be bad. And all
Yeah,
of that. Yeah.
I think it could have gone that way. It should have gone that way.
We are not editing Jawan right now. I don't.
But
No,
I
no.
like
I
Jawan.
really
I
like
like
that film.
Jawan.
I
Yeah,
liked
it's a good
it.
film.
बहुत मजा
Better
आया.
than Donkey.
बहुत मजा आया.
Have you worked with Shahrukh ever?
Yeah, on like bunch of stuff.
Okay. Want to
Yeah.
talk about it?
There's I mean, nothing. I'm trying to think. इसमें क्या relevant हो सकता है? I
As
can
in-
talk about it, but that's
as in
separate
like,
podcast. I can
if
like
you-
go on for.
I know, but like
hours.
when you spoke to him, was he all that you imagined him to be?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we've worked with him several times over the years. The first time was, and we've talked about it before also. First time was pre-AIB only when we were writing for Filmfare. We were working
Right.
with Weird Ass.
Oh yeah.
So me, Rohan, Tanmay, we
When he was
spent-
hosting,
yeah, him and
the
Ranveer were
shows.
hosting. That was the first time I met him, and outstanding.
Right.
Like everything. I know it's a cliche at this point, but everything cool that you hear about him is true. And since then, I've done a bunch of promos. We did that big podcast with him, and so on and so forth. And we've done another film fair with him, and काफी काम किया, and he's just been amazing.
Yeah.
Whether it's like a Chotu, promo that I shot for Netflix with something, or a couple of promos, or like a award thing or whatever, man, that man has presence. Like when he walks into a studio room, whatever, literally it changes. The energy changes. He's cool. Matlab, he's cool. That's why when you were like, which film should we do? Which film can I talk about and in this zone? I'm like, mostly it has
Yeah.
to be an SRK film because
Right.
So much can be said about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But since you asked about celebrity, this thing, एक याद आया मेरे को, which is actually when we had just started doing stand-up, okay, like literally like maybe we were like 3 months, 4 months old, maybe 6 months, I don't know, long ago. We got invited to perform at Shilpa Shetty's birthday
Okay.
as surprise act,
Okay.
which is,
Oh.
you should never do comedy as a surprise
Yeah.
act, right? We know this now. It should never be like, oh, अच्छा मैं तो दारू पी के नाचते जोक्स अच्छा
बैठना
वैसा
पड़ेगा।
नहीं होना चाहिए. It should not be like, oh, I'm
Yeah.
going to watch stand-up.
Yeah.
Right? On paper, you would think it would not be the ideal venue for comedy, right? If
Correct.
for those of you who don't know, you never do random birthday parties as a surprise. Nobody will pay attention to you, and it's very humiliating. But we didn't know all of that. We were like, cool है यार, story बनाएगा, cool है और मजा आएगा, क्यों नहीं? And genuinely मजा आया because you got to make fun of the people.
Correct.
Right? We were so new. We were like, people were like, oh, this stand-up is a new thing. I'm interested in
Right,
watching.
yeah.
And there were a bunch of celebrities there, and you could make jokes about them. So I made a joke about Shilpa Shetty, and she laughed, and I was like, "This is fucking amazing," because I saw this stupid movie when I was a child, and I'm making joke about it to you, and you're laughing in my head.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yeah.
So the joke was very like we're talking about the fashion Bazigar, which we should talk about.
Yeah.
But in general, I was like, Shilpa, happy birthday, good to see you here, and whatever. And you obviously look stunning. You're a style icon. You're lovely. But that was not always the case because in the 90s. You know, so uspe laugh aaya. And then, I mean, I remember in Bazigar, your frock was so ugly, Shah Rukh threw you off a building. So she laughed at that. I'm like, yes, yes, mission accomplished. And then ek do aur chitputu joke mara. But yeah, that's the, I just remembered, yeah, we'd
okay.
done that also. Yeah. Go to Shilpa Shetty's house, tell her you wore ugly clothes.
Yeah. The way you were building up to it, I thought after the show she cornered you and I was like, how dare you?
No, nothing, yaar, nothing. No, they were very sweet. I thought
Right,
कि
yeah,
कैसा
yeah.
होएगा पता
Yeah,
नहीं.
yeah,
And dude, if you've ever been to a room full of celebrities, right? एक तो you are dressed like stand-up comedy, तो
Right.
automatically you stick out like idiots. Because everyone is glamorous as shit.
Yeah.
And no, they were all sweet. Dude, a bunch of
Nice.
actors, they were all
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
And then we were hanging out and then सुनाई दिया शाहरुख खान भी आएंगे, शाहरुख खान. अच्छा रुके क्या? फिर बहुत awkward हो गया क्योंकि
I know, yeah.
हम लोग hired help से एक level ऊपर थे तो कितना हैंग आउट करेगा, खाना भी खा लिया, ड्रिंक, एंड देन वी लेफ्ट.
Right.
And then we found out, we left around 12 के आसपास, we found Shah Rukh Khan came, but he came at 3.
Okay.
But it's okay, we met him later.
Nice. That's a great anecdote. Cool. We have to take a break at this point. When we come back, let's talk about the fashion sense of the movie. And
I also want to talk about, we can talk about later, we talk about comedy, no? When we
Right.
talk about the Charlie Chaplin and all, let's talk a
of
little
course,
bit more
yeah, the
about
Johnny Lever
comedy.
track. Yes.
Yeah.
Comedic tracks in the movie.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll go into a quick break. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the IVM Pop channel, like this video, and we'll be right back after this break. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus talks to author and screenwriter Mushtaq Sheikh, who tells us about his new novel Secrets Within, his early days in film journalism, his stint with Balaji Telefilms, and how he ended up being one of the writers on the Shah Rukh Khan starrer Om Shanti Om. On Paisa Vaisa, Anupam Gupta dives into the world of market-linked debentures or MLDs with Vijay Kuppa from Incred Money. Learn how MLDs can maximize your returns while minimizing risks. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. And we're back on Hazard Age while talking about Bazigar. In the break, Urjita sang us a very exciting song by Ranbir Kapoor. But this film stars Shah Rukh Khan and Urjita, you had some observations you made about the movie. Tell us about
So foreshadowing, my favorite genre of points in movies. Amazing foreshadowing. इस movie में there is one forced foreshadowing and one very subtle foreshadowing which if you are able to guess it, then I will give you 10 points.
Cool.
And 5
the
rupees.
forced one or the
forced one के
unintentional?
लिए there is one intentional foreshadowing
अच्छा.
which is so forced. I was like, this is fucking funny. I can't. So when Kajol meets Shah Rukh for the first time and then she comes back to tell Seema about it, Seema that is Shilpa Shetty, she says, and I quote, "अरे वो इतना amazing है, तू उसे देखेगी ना तो 20 माले से छलांग मार देगी."
Really?
Yes.
She says
I
that.
did not
remember
notice
She
this.
says that, and I was like, हाँ, ये कौन से ऐसा you say, so when you have to say कि you know something is very unbelievable,
of
you say
course.
तू होश खो बैठेगी,
हाँ,
तू
हाँ.
विश्वास नहीं करेगी, तू पागल हो
Maybe they went with the
जाएगी.
English one, like jumping for joy, but no, not really.
Yeah.
Like, but
Yeah.
you know what?
हाँ.
It's I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
But if you are watching in '93, it's not made for people in 2024. It's
Right.
in '93.
Yeah.
You don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you'll just be like, हाँ बोल दिया, and then you just
हाँ,
get you just
हाँ, yeah.
register
Yeah.
नहीं होगा. So
Yeah.
in that context, I think it works. But when you watch it hindsight, I'm like, what? Yeah.
But I was watching it for the first time, no. But also I was thinking कि
But of course you
it
knew that
was-
he throws her off.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
But
yeah.
नहीं
But
funny
I'm
तो है.
saying-
20 वाले से कौन बोलता है ऐसा?
कौन बोलता है?
And then
As
she's
a
the one
phrase-
later on who's like कि वो अगर उसकी आत्महत्या करने होती तो वो जहर खा लेती, ये कर लेती. Why would she? She's
But
scared of
that's
heights.
actually better
Yeah,
because
हाँ.
there's a scene where she's in the swimming pool,
Yeah.
Shilpa Shetty.
Yeah.
And नीचे वो side में comedy
हाँ,
हो रहा है गंदा
हाँ.
वाला. And she's on and somebody asked her to jump. Or
Yeah.
Kajol asked her to jump.
Kajol
And
asked her to come for
and she's
the-
like, ना
on the
बाबा ना मेरे को तो
dive.
डर लगता
Yeah.
है.
हाँ,
So
yeah.
that is subtler foreshadowing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Foreshadowing भी नहीं, वो तो वो दिखा रहे थे ना उसका vertigo
That's
कितना
that's
बुरा
the
है.
reasoning. के
That's
वो
the
she
Yeah,
could not.
that's the
हाँ.
reasoning.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, another foreshadowing. It is more like something that I noticed, which I think I'm trying to force it as foreshadowing, but
Foreshadowing.
foreshadowing.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah.
Thank you.
So this is. Do you guys want to guess? It's in a song.
Is it the "ऐ मेरे जाने"?
Is
what
it
that
big-
song?
ये
It's
काली
in
काली
Bazigar
आँखें
only.
and
No,
he
it's
wears contact
Bazigar.
Bazigar or Bazigar only.
I said no. It's
मेरा दिल था खेला तूने खेला सा खेला नहीं,
ये काली काली आंखें में he's talking about
नहीं,
eyes
नहीं,
and he
she
wears
said the
contact.
Bazigar song,
Oh,
right?
sorry.
Yeah.
दिल वालों का मैं दिल भर.
It is something that Kajol says.
It's not this is not the contest anyway. I just want to do Alka Yagnik voice.
I don't
Do you
know.
give up? Abbas, you
Yeah.
give up?
Wait,
Do you-
okay.
okay.
ना भी तो quizzing mode में डाल दिया मेरे को. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
I don't remember the verses of the song.
मेरा दिल था खेला मेरा खेला बाजीगर. हाँ. The foreshadowing was कि banger गाना बनेगा.
Years later, a rapper will resurrect this
Yeah.
song. I give up. I don't
He's
know.
dressed as a mask
Zorro.
He's a
No.
matador. He's
Not that. Nope.
I
It's a
don't know.
lyric.
It's a
So
lyric.
she says, and I quote, "तुझे लग जाए मेरी उम्र," which is something that old people say so that you can grow old. Why the fuck is Kajol asking him कि तुझे लग जाए मेरी उम्र? और वही होता है क्योंकि वो उसी उम्र में मर जाता है.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
Urjita.
Foreshadowing is correct.
Yeah.
But
It's the reverse.
it's the reverse
Yeah,
one. शाहरुख की
his
उम्र
life-
उसको लग गई, I guess.
Yeah,
शाहरुख
because
की
Shahrukh
उम्र-
dies.
तो वही तो तुझे लग जाए मेरी उम्र ना. So then that's what she's
That
saying.
means I'll die and
तुझे-
my yours
Yeah,
you
get
should
added
get.
to yours.
But then in the end,
Okay.
Shahrukh
Udhar
dies.
said debit,
अच्छा,
udhar
okay.
credit.
Urjita just learned the meaning of the phrase. So, yeah.
I thought it
तुझे
meant
लग
the
जाए.
so I thought तुझे लग जाए मेरी उम्र मतलब मुझे लगा कि मेरी जितनी उम्र हुई है उतनी तो एटलीस्ट तेरी हो जाए. That's
Oh, ऐसा.
I thought that's
Because
what it
if
meant.
it's the other one, then it's very weird actually for old people to say it. Because imagine somebody's old and dying and they're like, तुझे मेरी उम्र लग जाए. I'm like, मैं 6 महीने का क्या करेगा?
But
I remember the Bazigar title song was the first thing that we saw before I think even the trailer or whatever. And I used to be very fascinated because I'm like, is it a Zorro film disguised as a
बहुत आगे
child?
सोच रहा था.
yeah.
He's disguised as Zorro, she's disguised as a bride for some reason. So I don't know what the whole thing is.
देखो मगरलाल ड्रेस वाले पे जो फ्री था कॉस्ट्यूम वो मिल गया. इसमें लॉजिक नहीं है. घोड़ा है और अब देख लेते बाकी.
The fact that Shah Rukh pulled off that look also.
Yeah.
It just I think that is the true
pulled
mark.
off his sure.
That is the true mark of a true handsome hero. That you know मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी कि ऐश्वर्या राय why she is the most beautiful actress. Guess why? क्योंकि वो तेल लगा के भी मस्त दिखती है.
Nice. The no makeup hashtag
Yeah,
makeup like this.
तेल लगा के ऐसा
हाँ.
जैसा प्लेट्स बांध के भी मस्त दिखती है तो वो सुंदर है. कटरीना कैफ को देखा है कभी तेल में? मैंने बोला हाँ मम्मी पॉइंट तो है.
Valid,
Same logic goes for Shah Rukh also.
Which brings us to the fashion sense of the movie. You had some points about the fashion sense. It's some weird choices because Shah Rukh Khan is wearing a leather jacket on Marine Drive in Mumbai. And Shilpa Shetty's intro scene and actually her wardrobe throughout is the
I
most
think
90s.
you can, that, but it's not specific to Bazigar sadly, but
हाँ.
you can say that about any movie set in the
Right.
90s. I love the fashion sense because it's nonsense. It's
Yeah.
bizarre. Why are 45-year-old women wearing frocks? Whatever, actually. Old, why are adult women wearing frocks. They look like cake. Like she's wearing one yellow and white thing,
Yeah.
right? In one of the
Yeah.
Who? Which
Shilpa
adult
Shetty.
woman?
I think the birthday party scene.
She's
or
not
whatever.
45.
Arey, matlab, why are adult
Achha.
women wearing
Okay,
frocks?
yeah.
It looks weird. She looks like वो कौन सा वाला केक होता है यार वो गंदा white pineapple वाला केक. The white and yellow. Yeah, it just
Yeah.
looks like
Rainbow, mashed rainbow cake.
the nine.
Yeah.
I mean, it's 90s fashion.
Bonjini
So,
wala.
so yeah, any
Yeah.
color, anything,
Yeah.
and literally, the main actors are dressed slightly better than what you would call the junior cast. Only slightly better.
Also, I love that when they show us the Madan Chopra origin story, when he's down and out, he's wearing this very like the like jeweler wala. He has that topi and he's wearing the kurta pajama and everything.
Yeah.
And as he goes up the ranks of the corporate ladder, suddenly his hair is better. He's in
Sophisticated.
suits.
Yeah. Sophisticated.
His mustache is more like trimmed and everything.
Yeah.
That's very peculiar.
This was also, I think, maybe one of the first few movies where Shah Rukh Khan popularized that style of shirt half tucked in, half out. Because I remember people used to do it. One of my cousins was a mad Shah Rukh Khan fan, used to do it. Then I tried doing it later. Because था उसमें in Kali Kali Aakhi also if you see half of
Yes,
this thing
yeah,
is out.
yeah,
And in general, that was one of his styles.
He also does that in Dar, I think, in a couple of scenes.
Half,
where he's
half shirt tucked in.
And
half
I
shirt
mean,
tucked
that is
in.
still easier than pulling off Amir style, which is chhati tak pant lena. So
That
this
is Shilpa
still-
Shetty in this movie.
But that is
Also, yeah.
people who know fashion maybe will tell this. But ऊपर सब लोग इधर पहनते थे ना
Exactly,
कपड़ा.
yeah. Up till
Everyone
above your waist.
above your waist.
Yeah.
Yeah. और अभी वापस वो स्टाइल आ गया है बिकॉज अभी हमारे भी हाई वेस्टेड पैंट्स है वो इधर से की इधर से चालू होते हैं
Oh,
आई
that-
लुक लाइक आमिर खान whenever I wear formals on those pants I'm like Amir Khan in Sarfarosh.
IVM के ऑफिस में अभी सपेरा आएगा. Oh.
Yeah.
I want to talk about the film is very methodically punctuated by these comedy skits
Yeah.
that Johnny Lever does. And if you go on YouTube, they're some of the most viewed, clips of all time. And I actually found it funny. I thought
Yeah.
that the pacing of the film is very methodical because every time a murder occurs or something really serious happens, someone dies, it's followed by this thing.
Correct.
And I love the way that they use the forgetfulness of Johnny Lever's
Yeah.
character as a plot point.
As a
where-
plot point,
Yes.
because the rest of the comedy that like we were discussing is time pass, frivolous,
Yeah.
does nothing. Just Charlie Chaplin dancing
Yeah.
over it does nothing. But Johnny Lever, they structured it so well. Anarkali का phone था icing बना बहुत जरूरी है. Is iconic. My favorite Johnny Lever part though in this is बाबूलाल ये किले इस दीवार का नहीं है ये किले उस दीवार का है. And he goes. I still laugh at that. It's
I
so
laughed at
dumb.
everything when
Yeah.
the jeweler comes to his house like घर पे कोई है अबे अंधे चश्मा लगा एक और
Dude, the first time that tumbler balti wala Garuria set or Gajoria set or
oh
whatever.
Dinesh Hingu
हाँ, दिनेश
oh my
हिंगू.
God, yeah.
ये तो हंस रहे और मैं भी हंस. मजेदार.
अमीर लोग के घर में ऐसी ही
ऐसा
चाय
ऐसा ही
बनती है.
बनती है. There's that famous clip from Coffee with Karan, right? Where Karan asks Shah Rukh, who do you have the best chemistry with? And he says Johnny Lever.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah,
I
that was
think-
the only answer that Gauri Khan got wrong because she said Kajol and he
Kajol.
said Johnny Lever and I was like wow nobody could have thought of this.
But fair. Shah Rukh has been on fucking every season.
Yeah,
He's like,
yeah.
कुछ तो अलग बोलूँगा मैं.
That's true. That's true.
But I mean, when you think of Shah Rukh Kajol pairings, you think of the romantic films, right? Bazigar often is not the first that comes to your mind. But then this was the first.
Yeah,
when
from-
Abbas Mastan saw something in these two actors.
And
Where they were like,
no, for me, I think DDLJ and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and
Yeah,
K3G and all
yeah.
of that come first. But this is, I think they should definitely be top 3 if not top 5.
right, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Right?
Also, what I really like. So okay, tell me something. If your protagonist is an evil protagonist who is trying to hatch a plan against someone, how would you rather have him conduct his proceedings? कि वो सब कुछ प्लान कर रहा है ना? और something like a Shahrukh Khan in this film where उसको कुछ चीजें लक से भी पता चल रही है,
बहुत ज़्यादा.
है ना? You would rather like him, find
I
out
want it
things-
planned.
Okay.
But because it's a YOLO Abbas Mastan movie, like, you know
Yeah.
how he finds out about that other Ravi guy, the photographer
Yeah,
that he
yeah.
kills.
Yeah.
He's just standing
Yeah, that's why there's
in
so many
college
scenes.
Exactly.
in the window.
Yeah.
And they just happen to be having the conversation right outside and he kills
Yeah.
out through a closed
Yeah,
window.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
भाई ये तो नहीं मतलब
No, but that in fact that I thought wasn't luck because I thought I took it as कि वो follow कर रहा है उसको.
काजोल को
That's
Yeah.
what there are many scenes in this film where two people are having conversation and they leave, the camera stays there and then Shah Rukh
Yeah.
enters the frame. Like,
सबसे बड़ी लक की बात वो थी ना जॉनी लीवर का वो उसको अनारकली का फोन था आइसक्रीम खाना जरूरी है बिकॉज वो शाहरुख कैचेस दैट
But that is justified, and then Shahrukh is suspicious. So by that point, it's like
Yeah.
like late in the film, he's suspicious and all. That I'll give it because it's justified in the movie. But sometimes just popping out of nowhere, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess.
this is still one of the best Abbas Mastan films, right? Because then later on they go really
Later on
apeshit
too,
with
yeah.
like players and whatever.
What was the last good one?
I have no idea.
Like legit, I think this and Khiladi. I obviously
of
rate
course,
this
yeah,
over
yeah.
Khiladi.
Many
'cause-
people consider Race the first OG Race also
First
as a
Race,
good
yeah,
film.
that's a decent.
Many people consider. I don't remember Race,
No,
so I don't
Ashish.
know. I don't have a say.
like, compared to Bazigar.
Yeah.
Please.
I agree. Yeah, but I think Race was the last good one. Quote unquote.
No,
Ajnabi?
I probably Ajnabi, but I think it has more cult and meme value than actually being like.
Yeah.
No. I watched it recently. It's good. It's good.
Ajnabis to sirf mera mehboob, मैं
Yeah,
तेरी
yeah,
महबूब,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Ajnabi is everything is planned, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I liked it. Like from
it
that
still?
90s
Has it
ka
aged
stand-
well?
That I don't know, but I think it was a good film.
But then again, those films.
I think it's also like I think it's a generation thing.
That's
right?
what it
like,
goes into the
Ajnabi has-
camp category,
Yeah,
right?
when I saw
Yeah.
Ajnabi, I was much older, so I was like, ये क्या है?
Yeah,
थोड़ी
exactly.
बांसुरी। like मैं वो कर रहा था।
और मैंने बचपन में देखी थी वो
हाँ।
फिल्म.
मैंने बाजीगर बचपन में देखी है ना, तो the
yeah.
things
But
you
weirdly,
watch,
while watching Bazigar, I didn't feel that campy value. I was
it
like,
wasn't. Though.
Things are making
It
sense.
wasn't,
There
and I
is-
know it's like almost 3 hours, maybe longer.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
very long
Yeah.
film because a lot of it is गाने and beach ka time pass comedy and this and that, and it takes its time like a 90s film, but it doesn't at any time feel like
Things are way out of.
like it was like doesn't really feel like it was badly written
Yeah.
or you know like scenes are wasted or whatever. Like it flows. It's fairly engaging.
Music, I remember Dabbu Malik is in this film, who
Oh,
plays
he's the guy.
Shilpa Shetty's wannabe lover.
Yeah.
Anu Malik makes a brief appearance as the MC of the engagement
Yeah.
party where he comes there. And Vinod Rathod is in the film. Like when he entered the frame with the mullet, I was like, man, this is as 90s as it can get. And
I had a question
yeah.
for that. So for both Vinod Rathod and Anu Malik, so you know
Yeah.
how these singers used to make appearances in these
in
songs.
films, yeah.
So like, do you think they wanted to be a part of a film once in a while just so that people don't forget their faces? Like, you know, because movies are one way to get immortalized,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Like uske Indian Idol wala clips viral gaye wo gaye, but that is still a part of like parallel pop culture. But like you being immortalized in a film, do you think they did that just so that people could remember, like people could put a face to their voice, or like, you know, कोई सेट पे नहीं अनु आ जाना यार, you know?
I think latter, knowing
ऐसा हो गया?
अब बस मिला रहे प्रोडक्शन बजट में कौन आ जाता है, कोई गाल है, ठीक है, कोई गाल है।
And Anu
घर
would
का
have been
पार्टी सीन है, अपन पार्टी करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग दारू पियेंगे, like it must have been something
Quite possible.
उसी सेट पे।
Yeah.
Vinod Rathod is an exception. I think we didn't see him in like a lot of films.
Yeah, which
So
ones? He's coming.
We haven't seen him in a lot
Oh,
of
we
films.
haven't
Yeah, so
seen- yeah,
this
yeah.
was a rare opportunity that he
Yeah.
makes.
Have
an
you seen Jagjit Singh in any film though?
Yeah, I think he's made
you?
an appearance where but he's playing himself only, like he's
of course.
singing
Yeah.
on stage.
Yeah.
So
Really?
yeah. Some of those art films in the 80s, I think.
शाम
he's-
बेनेगल फिल्म में
हाँ,
होगा.
इसलिए मैंने नहीं देखा।
Yeah.
उसमें शुभ नहीं था उसमें।
Same.
उसमें नहीं था कि उल्टे की बात परिंदे करते हैं मदन चोपड़ा, फूटे हुए पर नहीं, ये नहीं था।
There were just long stretches of silence
Yeah,
of
there
two
were
characters
just-
looking at each other.
Like there's a candle and it's dimming slightly, it's signifying the end of
Yeah.
capitalism or some shit. And
Yeah.
I want to talk about Inspector Karan Saxena, who's
Oh,
the
yeah.
simpiest of simp
Ooh.
characters
Oh yeah,
of all
Karan
time.
baby. Yeah,
You have
talk
opinions about him,
So
Urjita.
first of all,
But he's so nice. Like he's such a nice guy.
Of course, you want the nice guys to win Abbas. We get it.
yeah,
Half
I feel
the
like if
time
Karan,
Abba, yeah.
I feel like if Karan Saxena was around Twitter, he'd be sharing Andrew Tate reels. साला मैं इतना सब किया, लड़की को ना सिर्फ ये bad boy चाहिए.
Yes,
I
yes.
follow the law. I have a mustache. And I
Yeah.
can sing like Vinod Rathod,
Yeah.
but
It
you want a murder?
just because I'm not good looking, तो मेरे को लड़की
Yeah.
नहीं मिलेगी क्या?
Yeah, it's
And for a
totally.
cop, he very easily goes for the simplest solution. He's like, "Yeah, she died with a suicide note. I'm sure it's a suicide. Why do you want to go
Yeah,
more?"
Kajol is the one who's
Yeah, I
investigating.
was like, yeah, my sister fucking died.
But also the fact that
no,
Karan
sorry, so
Saxena.
that was your impression of interpretation
Karan.
of Karan Saxena.
Yes.
How do you see it?
So okay, मैंने अपने पापा के पुराने एल्बम्स देखे, ठीक है. सारे एल्बम्स में मुझे कोई हीरो नहीं दिखा, बट व्हेन आई सॉ करण सक्सेना आई वाज लाइक ए मैंने ऐसे 6 देखे हैं, मैंने पापा खुद वैसे दिखते थे, मैं खुद थोड़े जीन्स लेके आई लुक लिटिल लाइक करण सक्सेना, आई फील आई हैव हिज हेल्पलेस फेस,
But you're so, yeah, that look was,
yeah, and
It's
Karan Saxena ka I feel like justice for Karan Saxena. In the end, maybe they should have shown Karan Saxena going with Kajol or something.
I thought it's implied because the
Yeah.
Shah Rukh has just died, Vicky has just died,
Yeah.
and
And
he's
this guy's
there in the
like,
frame.
he's
Yeah,
there in the
waiting as like,
frame.
ये
well,
हो गया भाई, बहुत हो गया थोड़ा.
But also I think I don't think नहीं जाता है वो, नहीं जाएगी वो, because I feel अगर उनको दिखाना होता कि काजोल उसके साथ जा रही है तो थोड़े मे बी और हॉटर एक्टर को लेते वो उसके लिए.
this is the 90s हो जाता.
I think this was the one of the progressive bits in the film where she doesn't end up with him. Dude, she just found out that her fiance
Yeah.
dated and murdered her sister
Yeah.
and has this whole murdered her dad.
Yeah.
And at that point, the guy that she has zero feelings for can't just walk in and be like, he's not a murderer. Wow. My lady parts are tingling. Yay.
That's what I was saying. This
अगर
film,
होता है तो करण होता है असली बाजीगर. Because he's played the game.
correct. I thought this film takes no consideration of the Kajol character's emotions. She loses her
Yeah.
sister, loses her lover, loses her
Yeah.
father.
Yeah.
He's got nobody left
Also
now.
the fact that her father was वो उनके रोल में वो रहता है दलीप ताइल. Even when so she tells him कि apparently she had a lover who could have killed her. His reaction to that is कि अगर अभी हम बताएंगे पुलिस को इसके बारे में तो कितनी बदनामी होगी हमारी. न्यूज़पेपर में क्या न्यूज़ छपेगी कि
ये आदमी नहीं, सोशल मीडिया एज पे तो आदमी रहता ही नहीं. सोशल मीडिया एज पे कुछ करो ना करो, रैंडम चूतिया के मदन चोपड़ा तेरी बेटी मर गई लॉल, ये कर रहे कैसा बाप है, ये सब करता था. तो
yeah, so it's like I feel like
Newspaper
the
में
movie Abbas Mastan were trying so hard to prove the point कि देखो शाहरुख खान might be bad but this guy is badder
worse,
यार.
yeah.
Badder, full bad.
concerned about.
Yeah, माना कि शाहरुख ने मर्डर किया,
Cute तो है, dimples है ना.
yeah, डिम्पल्स है, yeah, और उसकी माँ के लिए किया यार. माँ ने मांगा नहीं मांगा, but still you get my point, right? So I get it. Yeah.
But I also liked the fact that Kajol at least has some brains.
Yeah.
Like it's a good character. Again,
Yeah.
I think at that time it was probably like most heroines didn't really do much.
Right.
And most films were love stories and whatever, and they were broadly just pretty props. Some exceptions, but broadly that genre of movies was just like bad.
Yeah.
Right? So here Kajol is the one constantly
Pointing
digging,
out,
finding
yeah,
information,
yeah.
using her brain.
Yeah.
It feels different.
Yeah,
I feel
she's
like-
driving the plot.
Like I feel like if
Yeah.
I was older, then I would have noticed it.
Correct.
Like then it's something you realize later, knowing the
Yeah.
context of 90s movies. She is
Yeah.
properly like, मतलब her character has agency.
Or-
मतलब she's dumb, but apart from that,
Yeah, her character has agency, which you don't see doing the same in Karan Arjun.
Yeah.
Karan Arjun में वो बस
yeah.
Karan Arjun में बस वो खींची जा रही है.
Correct.
Daddy, मुझे इसके पास जाना है.
correct, correct.
Daddy.
See, that's a huge difference. That's
Yeah.
so valid. That's a huge.
Yes.
Karan Arjun में she's just घोड़ा.
Now you reminded me of the scene in Karan Arjun where Mamta Kulkarni takes her clothes off and looks at herself in the mirror. She's like, oh, my body has changed.
अब बस वही सीन क्यों याद आया?
Because I was like, that's
So
how
many
regressive we were in the
iconic-
90s,
नहीं
Urjita.
नहीं social commentary नहीं. अब बस ऐसा थोड़ी. We are amongst friends. You can be honest. We're comedians. We get this garbage. It's fine.
Karan
You like
Arjun-
what you like, man. It's fine.
Yeah, we know what your browsing history looks
Yeah.
like now.
Yeah, Mamta Kulkarni.
Mamta
videos
Kulkarni,
on
Karan
YouTube.
Arjun. And
Mamta
Google
Kulkarni.
was, did you mean therapy?
Mamta Kulkarni, that scene.
That scene. Google is like, which one?
अरे that बाबा.
Here's all of the 90s.
Abbas.
There's a trivia about this film. I don't know if you guys know. One of the writers of this film is Akash Khurana.
Oh.
By the way, is principal sir from Koi Mil Gaya, a very renowned actor.
yeah.
And his son Akash Khurana now makes films and plays. Anything else you guys want to add, guys? Final thoughts on Bazigar, and then we can go to the categories. I, for one, enjoyed it.
You know, it is a good thriller when the criminal is kept on his toes and the entire time. Like I don't like a thriller where the criminal is a know-it-all. कि कुछ भी हो रहा है, he is untouchable. No, don't show me that he is untouchable. Show me he's very, very touchable.
Yeah, yeah.
Show that
He's
he's also,
vulnerable.
he's very, very much vincible.
Invincible. But I really like this genre of movies where you
Yeah.
have to cover up a crime and
Yeah.
whatever, right?
Yeah.
Johnny Gaddar, fucking
Yeah,
great.
because
Similar, but-
I love messy criminals. Because I'm like, अगर इसको इतना दिमाग रहता तो criminal बनता ही नहीं. Don't show me a criminal who knows everything. Nah, not possible. So I love it.
Also, I like how in the 90s, all you had to do to commit a crime is get a pair of gloves, and then everything is fucking. There's no evidence left behind. There's nothing because you had gloves on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that this movie, I think it teaches you that don't date people. Don't, especially if you're a rich girl, don't date.
Yeah. Yeah, that is our
And
takeaway.
definitely
How do you
do not
take revenge, Ashish?
Do not write suicide notes for fun.
And sign them.
And sign
Yeah,
them.
yeah. But if you think about it, this is my take, okay? Most movies from the 90s, where they show like a rich girl, she gets fooled by a guy who's poor, usko वो चकमा दे देता है या बुरा बना देता है. I feel like that was just to instill this fear कि अगर अपने class के बाहर शादी की तो this could be the consequence.
And Bazigar was the culmination of that. is what
Yeah,
it is.
yeah. And then that went on up till
गरीब तो होता ही
Raja.
खराब है.
Yeah, that went on up till Raja Hindustani, where they tried to glorify that shit, and we were still like, yeah, I don't think I'm buying this love story. Yeah,
Raja Hindustani.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And then Dhadkan mein Shilpa Shetty rejects Sunil Shetty for Akshay Kumar.
But then
So,
that is Sunil Shetty's success story because he became rich.
Yes.
And then he became trending audio for all the reels.
And Shilpa Shetty, when he tries to come back to her, Shilpa is like, bitch, money can't buy class.
I have not seen that again. But
She
yeah, I
doesn't
know
say
the
that,
basic premise. I
but
know he
yeah.
has a broken chappal in it.
Yeah.
I am dreading the day when you will force me to do a Dhadkan episode and then I'll have to
Oh, that
watch
is coming.
film. Oh my
That
God,
is coming,
no.
yeah. I'll
But-
make the guest tell you कि मैं करूँगा तो यही करूँगी नहीं तो नहीं करूँगी.
But I still don't get, like, by and large, you didn't like the film, right?
Which one?
This one,
Dhadkan or
Bazigar. Dhadkan to is your favorite.
Actually, I don't know. Now I am not sure.
Okay.
क्योंकि
Wait,
मैंने
are
इतनी-
you didn't like it? Okay, there's two ways, right? You can look at it as did I enjoy it versus has it aged well according to today's
Yeah.
modern lens.
Okay, so I enjoyed it.
Okay, fair enough.
Nagalai.
IGL.
Nagalai. I enjoyed it. But Imho. We have to pronounce them at some point,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
feel.
yeah.
But I feel like it hasn't aged well.
Oh, fair enough.
Many things in it
Okay.
hasn't aged well.
Okay.
Haven't aged well, but yeah.
What
Yes,
parts
we'll
will
come
come
to
to,
that.
yeah.
Yes.
Let's do the categories, unless you have anything more to add,
No, that's
Ashish. Okay, so Ashish from Bazigar 1993, what do you think has aged the best and what do you think has not aged so well?
I think Shah Rukh Khan being Shah Rukh Khan, him being cool, like that was something path breaking for a lead actor to do back
Yeah.
then. He had, and Dar came a month after this, I think. And before this, I think Raju and Deewana had come, which
Yes.
was, Raju was very sweet,
Yeah,
and Deewana was also a love story. So for a lead actor at that stage to be doing all of this was path breaking. So that aspect hasn't changed. That when Shah Rukh Khan decides to be cool, like he delivers. Like whether you see Jawan right now,
Yeah.
which was beautiful, and similarly, so I think that aspect of hasn't aged. The fact that the way they build suspense, the way they pay off like a silly gag like Babulal,
Right.
all of those aspects. I think if you watch it as a thriller, it's still aged well. It'll still hold your attention. It's a little long because that's the grammar of that era. It's about 3 hours or whatever, but you can still be engaged. And somebody who hasn't seen it, like you, who hasn't seen it, you won't get bored.
Right.
So as a thriller aspect of it, etc., the mystery, all of that has aged well. Totally watchable. In fact, if you guys look, I don't know if you do rewatches sometimes out of boredom or like
Yeah,
just
yeah.
nostalgia or feel good or whatever. Like a lot of these movies from our childhood, not yours, but our childhood, some of them are actually really fun to watch, dude.
Yeah.
Like Bazigar or Kal Ho Na Ho later, or some of these movies, Jo Jeeta, whatever. Like really fun. So I think I would definitely put Bazigar story and the thrills and mystery, all of that has aged well. The star obviously has aged well. What hasn't aged well? I think, but that's not specific to Bazigar, things that we joked about, like things
the
like
fashion
fashion.
sense.
Yeah.
The random bad comedy and the using Charlie Chaplin or a fat guy or whatever, like all of that is unfunny. But that's such a minor thing.
Correct.
That's something that appears and you can ignore it. The music has aged spectacularly. The music is still fun.
Yeah.
I mean, Divine made the song and तो और cool हो गया. And even if he hadn't, it's the kind of stuff if it plays on a dance floor at
Yeah,
night and you're
totally.
3 drinks
Yeah,
down,
yeah.
you're gonna dance.
I mean,
and when Kali Kali Aake plays, I don't know if you do you do the Anu Malik part?
या मैं
Of course,
मिला
of course, yeah.
मैं मिला तू मिली
मैं मिला
दुनिया जले तुझले प्यार करेंगे तुझ पे मरेंगे धक धक दिल ये करे.
Yeah, see, it's
Divine
so much fun. It's so much fun to do it like sober.
या मैं तो बीजीएम में गाती हूँ मैं तो वो भी करती
Yeah. Oof,
Yeah.
तेरी. Yeah.
I was thinking, was this one of the first instances of Anu Malik inserting himself into his songs? Because I don't remember like.
It's one of the more
before
famous
this.
ones. I'm
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
होगा कुछ, but it's one of the
हाँ,
more famous ones
हाँ,
for
sure,
sure.
yeah.
There is a very weird song in which very nice song in which अनु मलिक का जो interference नहीं अनु मलिक का जो part है वो काफी अजीब लगता है.
Interference is correct, Urjita, but go
So
ahead.
there's this movie
ये जब
called
pitbull करता है तो ठीक
हाँ,
है.
exactly.
हाँ, तुमको हिंदुस्तानियों से प्रॉब्लम है.
तो कुछ तो है मूवी पता है आपको कुछ तो
हाँ,
है
हाँ,
वो
vaguely.
दिस तुषार कपूर
Yeah.
फिल्म एकता कपूर फिल्म
हाँ.
उसमें एक सॉन्ग है ऐसा क्यों होता है एंड देन उसमें देयर इज दिस वन पार्ट 1 minute 13 second लॉन्ग पार्ट जिसमें वो बोल रहा है हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन माय फ्रेंड्स लड़कियां ये होती है वो बिट कर रहा है वो बिट कर रहा है अबाउट गर्ल्स एंड इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द सॉन्ग एंड देन इट कट्स टू ऐसा क्यों होता है मे बी दैट वाज द सिंगर टेलिंग अनु मलिक कि
I think
ऐसा
he's
क्यों होता
having
है
a bad day that day
Yeah.
in the studio. He's like, yeah, I need to
yeah
vent.
yeah
For you, Urjita, what's age the best and what
what's
has
age the
aged
best I think the songs
well? Okay.
लाइक मुझे पता है अभी भी ऐसा थोड़ा अजीब लगता है पक्का ये काली काली कि वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स डजंट फील लाइक दिस यूनिवर्स दो पता नहीं
For us,
But-
there is no other universe it can
Yeah,
exist
what-
in.
what-
Yeah.
This
ये
universe
काली
meaning
काली
why?
दिस यूनिवर्स doesn't I feel like it could have been a part that
Of a
song
better movie. You think
yeah
it deserved
not
a
a better movie
Then?
ऐसा नहीं but I feel like पता नहीं ऐसा लगता है कि ये किसी और काजोल शाहरुख मूवी का गाना है it doesn't
Like, you think it's too cool or for that? What? I don't know.
I don't know. I
It's
feel
modern.
like we needed to see them more in love for them to do this song. I don't know.
Oh,
Because
okay.
also Shah Rukh, he unleashes this cute guy thing in the song. No, मैं मिला तू मिली, like he's doing
Yeah,
all of
yeah.
that. I mean like that whole gag. I think that fits in the universe of a Badshah or like DDLJ, something like that.
I think this answers the question. I think he truly was in love with Kajol because he did the Anu Malik voice. And,
Yeah.
मर्द सिर्फ अपनी पसंदीदा औरत के लिए Anu Malik voice कहता है.
Look at Ashish
There you go.
quoting Gen Z. But
then doesn't he in the climax say that I didn't account for me actually falling in love with you at some point and then I did like right at the end I think he says that to Kajol.
he says that, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty much him spelling it out.
Yeah. But
She believes him so. Problem solved.
ऑल्सो मैंने ये काली काली आंखें का बिहाइंड द सीन्स देखा था
हाँ.
सो उसमें फराह खान बोल भी रही है कि फराह खान जी बोल भी रहे हैं कि शाहरुख खान इज एक्चुअली डांसिंग सो वेल इन द सॉन्ग दैट
It's just
शी
because in the previous episodes you've looked at the camera and be like, Farah, please hire me. So then you forgot, oh shit, I need to add the
मैं
respect.
आपका ब्लॉग भी लिख लूंगी बट
Sorry, yeah, go
एनीवे
ahead.
फराह खान जी हैज आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस
No, fair enough.
Farah Khan
Fair enough.
Farah Khan
I mean, I
no
don't
we are
think
talking
she
about Saroj
cares.
Khan here not Farah Khan
Oh!
no not Farah Saroj I was like yeah that's why the G yeah sorry please cut this part take it back take it
No,
again.
this is very
I'm not.
very funny.
Saroj Khan जी in the song
हाँ.
she's saying कि शाहरुख ने इतनी अच्छी डांस की है कि मैं उसको मेल माधुरी दीक्षित बुला रही थी
Nice.
which I was like
Which is hilarious because he has gone on record in so many interviews and says I'm not a good dancer. I'm like,
Yeah.
so you don't watch your own films. Or what are you talking
Yeah,
about, dude?
yeah.
What hasn't aged well quickly?
What hasn't aged well? I think some basic logic from the film, जो जहाँ पे logic नहीं use किया हो, that hasn't
Sure.
aged well. And also,
Let it go on record to say that your problem with an Abbas Mastan film was the logic. Fair enough.
not sure which one is more demeaning to them. The fact that I called, never mind. But logic hasn't aged well. And और मैंने 4-5 चीजें बोली रहेगी throughout the episode जो मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रही है.
Refer कर लेना, हाँ.
But that too, yeah.
Sure, okay.
Yeah.
For me, what says the best? I think, like I said, the flair of the filmmaking. I think there's something that has lost. We try to recapture that in today's films, action film, thriller films. But there's something where they kept me engaged at every step of the way. I watched it on YouTube, and I was like, the advantage of watching it on YouTube is you can increase the speed. You can do 2.25, 1.5. But I didn't. I watched the film throughout. So I think
Even the songs.
Even the songs, yeah, songs
Oh.
तो amazing.
Abbas is a song hater actually.
Yeah, but for
उसने
this
हम
movie,
आपके
I was
कौन
like-
15 मिनट में खत्म की थी.
See, I can't
देखो,
deny
उसके
it.
गाने comparable नहीं है बाजी.
You are
I-
saying these songs are better?
Of course. Why is that
Yo.
even a question?
How do you not like dhoom as a song effect? How can you be a dhoom hater?
What song is this?
This is Didi Tera
Tera
De
Dhoom.
Usme Dhoom.
Yeah.
It's the impact of the stone hitting.
देखो
Madhuri's
गोद
bomb.
बराई पे शायद ना बजे काली काली आंखें लेकिन वहाँ पे genre everyone has their
Especially
own
if the
strengths.
parents are blue-eyed.
Yeah.
And what hasn't aged well, like Ashish said, the smaller things like fashion sense and all, which you can apply to like most
Yeah,
of the
that's
90s
so it's
films.
not something I even consider as a
Yeah.
thing against the movie.
Some lines are a little cliche. Like at one point, I remember Dalip Tahil calls Shah Rukh Khan Ehsan Faramosh, which I think is a very
Yeah.
peculiar
Yeah.
thing. But by and large, I enjoyed the
But see,
film.
if you are getting Ehsan Faramosh, it's the other side of the coin as Sailab aayega. Now, if somebody
yeah.
saying Sailab, then you, ठीक है, Ehsan Faramosh.
totally.
एहसान फरामोश ऐसे खारी बिस्किट के पैकेट का नाम एहसान फरामोश खारी बिस्किट
Ehsan Faramosh biscuits.
रस्क
खाइए,
बिस्किट्स
हरामी हो जाइए.
If you had to program a double feature with Bazigar, what film would you program?
Oh, so okay, this is interesting. Because on the one hand, I'm thinking you want to completely flip the mood and show
Right,
another
exactly.
sweet side to SRK. On the other hand, I also like this genre of tortured Rakhi, Shah Rukh saves. So I'll give you two options. I think a complete flip would be Kalo Na Ho,
Ah, fuck,
because
yes.
it's such a modern sort of fun comedy, and he's literally an angel in that, pretty much. And in the same vibe, same zone, if you want a double feature, Karan Arjun.
Karan
Nothing
Arjun.
better than Karan Arjun.
Yeah.
Have you guys already done Karan Arjun?
We have got
Man,
Karan Arjun, yes.
man, what a
But
fun
those are
film.
two great options. Urjita, for you, if you had to program a double feature?
Bazigar, I think I would pair it with Badshah just cause I like Badshah way better. Badshah is my 20% of my personality is
तुम
Badshah.
लॉजिक की
film.
बात नहीं कर रहे थे?
चिप के लिए जूते.
Yo, come on. Badshah is Maimila, Tu Mili. That entire film is
I
that
know,
vibe.
he's very
yeah,
goofy. Yeah, Bacha
yeah.
is fun.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I know
Badshah.
Bacha from the reels. She also knows it
Yeah,
from
of course.
the yeah, Kadam Kadam Par, the Dua Lipa levitating and Kadam
Acha.
Kadam
No,
Par.
I know it since childhood, Badshah. Yeah.
She got insulted.
Fair enough.
Please.
Um,
But also, okay, if you're talking about serious double feature, then Anjam, I think.
No, Bacha also works as a series.
Badshah was good as like
Again,
Anjam.
changes the
agar-
mood.
If you want to see like, Shah Rukh Khan again in a negative role, which is like, I think Anjam is more brutal, I feel.
True.
So,
Pause.
Anjam.
Huh? करने भी जोक मार दिया. Sorry. बस 5 मिनट बोल रहे.
Abbas, if we go and we tell them, sir, हमारा survival इस पे dependent है, please.
I don't think it'll be much different. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think Anjam, because in Anjam, I think Shah Rukh is way more brutal. As far as my memory is concerned, I'm not sure,
Okay.
but I think Anjam, yeah.
More than Dar?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't
more
remember
than Dar
Anjam
for
either.
sure. I
Okay.
wasn't sure if it
डर
is
में वो
more than
काट रहा है यार, अपनी
Bazigar.
छाती वाती काट
Because
रहा है.
डर में वो the fight is with Sunny Deol, no?
Right.
For Ju. यहाँ पे वो सीधा माधुरी से ही लड़ रहा है, मतलब. So, as in माधुरी लड़ रही है अपनी हक की लड़ाई.
And as we have
So,
established, he's the male Madhuri, so it's even more complicated.
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
I also thought the same thing. My option, one of the options was Kal Ho Na Ho, but I think the other option would be DDLJ, because this is just 2 years apart. Like Bazigar, he's doing the negative thing, and then DDLJ he turns on the charm like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah.
So in that short, and both of them I think were star-making turns for
And Shah Rukh and Kajol
yeah,
both,
Yeah,
so.
and Shah Rukh and Kajol both. So yes,
I have a doubt.
Yes.
So after watching
Bazigar.
do you think उसके बाद शाहरुख की कोई भी फिल्म आ रही है तो लोगों का ऐसे छाती पकड़ के बैठे थे कि अच्छा नहीं इसमें भी बाल ऐसे फोरहेड तक है मतलब विलन है क्या ये people would
that's
be
what he
just-
had this string of Anjam, Dar, Bazigar.
Yeah.
All three of them were
Ramjane came
Huh.
after DDLJ before.
before DDLJ.
Yeah?
Ramjane, yes.
It's that old.
Yes. I was surprised Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na came after
Kabhi
Bazigar.
Haan was 94.
Yes.
Yeah, that must have shown people. We will do the Kabhi Haan. Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na came in 94 before
Yes,
DDLJ, after
yes.
Bazigar.
After
and
Bazigar, yes.
Oh yeah, that must have been super sweet. Yeah, so to answer your question, I feel like people must have been like, ये नजीरुद्दीन शाह को मारेगा, दीपक तिजोरी को मारेगा, पूरा गोवा चला डालेगा. नहीं, ये तो बहुत
Yeah.
स्वीट है. खाली फेल हुआ एग्जाम में, बहुत कुछ नहीं किया.
Yeah.
वो तो है अलबेला, हजारों में
अलबेला.
अकेला.
Yeah.
But yeah, there was that whole thing where people were like, will Shah Rukh Khan become a villain full time? But then he didn't.
So that was actually genius by
Yeah.
Aditya Chopra to point
Yes.
out कि उसकी आंखें.
Yeah. Your eyes have something that cannot be wasted on action.
Yeah, yeah,
And I'm like,
yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody say that about me, I'll die
मुझे
today.
किसकी
I don't
याद
mind.
नहीं आती है.
Great, too good.
Will you die or will you jump off a building for him? Never mind, don't answer.
I meant in the way कि my life has peaked here, not in the way कि "Ay, मैं तो मर गई," not like that.
Sure. Okay, then finally, Ashish, if you had to rate Bazigar on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being it's aged terribly, nothing from it holds up, 10 being you find something new every time you watch it, how would you rate
Oh man,
Bazigar?
I don't know. It's a very man. 10 दे देगा भाई, मेरे को मजा आया. 10 ले लो, enjoy.
Oh wow. Generous, very generous guest.
Yeah,
10? When was the last time you watched Bazigar before?
I watched it last year at some point.
Okay,
I watched about half or 3/4 of the movie.
Okay.
I had fun.
sure.
Yeah.
Urjita, for you? On a
Has it
scale of
aged
1 to
well?
10?
Scale, no? Scale, no? Okay. 6.9.
ये तूने पिछली बार भी
अच्छा,
दिया था
नहीं,
जोक
sorry.
बनाने के लिए.
ठीक है. नहीं, actually I don't intend to give it 9, but okay. 7.
7 is not bad, yeah. The way you were describing it, I thought you will give it like 5 or something.
7, yeah.
Nice, okay, cool. I'd give it an 8. I think it holds up very well.
Just one mark
Yeah.
above.
I mean, it's not as good as 10, I would say, but it holds up as compared to the other 90s films we've done. It's a
Nice.
very well made procedural by Abbas Mastan. Proof that they did used to make compelling films once upon a time. And yeah, so 10, 7, and 8. Not bad. Yeah, Bazigar from.
No, you. Achha, 8.
You gave
okay.
10, yeah, I gave 8.
yeah.
So even for someone, a Gen Z citizen of this country, this film holds up.
Gen Z citizen of this country.
villain era. I don't even know if I said it correct. It's giving villain era.
It's giving villain.
It's giving villain. Like
Yes.
Shah Rukh in his villain era is a different film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's giving
मैं तुझसे क्यों
villain.
पूछ रहा हूँ? तू बता. इससे क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? इसको घंटा पता है. Which one is correct?
It's
Yeah,
giving villain.
It's giving villain. It's giving villain.
विलेन
yeah.
भी नहीं और कुछ वर्ड होगा.
तीनों नहीं, तीनों वर्ड्स का, तीनों मूवीज का मिला के you can say it's giving villain era. तीनों मूवीज का मिला के
अंजाम
you
डर
can
and
say. Yeah.
DDLJ.
Yeah.
But Shah Rukh in his villain era is also correct.
Yeah.
That to is like proper
Yeah.
sentence only.
Yeah.
No, but it's also a thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh really?
I don't know. Is it a thing? I think it's a thing.
What? Yeah,
It's
yeah. It
because
is a thing, yeah.
ये ना Taylor Swift के different eras हैं.
Yeah,
She's on
yeah,
an era.
yeah.
Oh, it comes from there.
I
I also didn't
guess.
know.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
I also didn't
So
know.
yeah, she's in her red era.
कैसा Gen Z है तू भाई? कैसा Gen Z?
Sorry.
Desi Gen Z.
हाँ, खाली तारक मेहता.
Desi
और
Gen
Taylor
Z.
Swift.
Desi Gen Z. That's the correct way to
Yeah,
describe me.
cool.
Yes.
Cool. Let's wrap this up by doing the alternate ending segment right now. Alright, this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an alternate ending to the way the film ended, or we pitch a sequel. Ashish, do you have a alternate ending in your mind, or if you want to pitch a sequel to Bazigar? If
Sequel or reboot?
a reboot also works.
Okay, I don't. Let's see. Sequel क्या हो सकता है? I don't want an alternate ending because I mean the guy
Okay.
has to die and she has to
Right,
find
yeah,
out and Mother
yeah.
Chopra dies and all that is great.
हाँ.
Celeb is amazing.
हाँ.
You can't top Celeb, so I don't want to change that. Sequel would be. I mean, you could make
Reboot.
something. No, let's see.
Okay.
Sequel or reboot? Let's see sequel. Suppose I'm just randomly.
Okay,
ideating.
sure. Yeah.
What if SRK had a Ajay Sharma whatever had another like some hookup with some girl? Some,
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, and they had a child?
Yeah, and the kid. Because I don't want Kajol to deliver his baby, so
Got
I
it.
don't like that was my first thought. And I was
Okay.
like, no, what if it's a random hookup, but
Okay.
that child is born,
Huh.
and obviously Kajol doesn't know of his existence. Child also has light green eyes, so then he comes into Kajol's kid's life as something, and then I'm trying to figure out what from there. Or he could be the good guy trying to, like in Terminator 2.
Correct,
Terminator is
yeah,
good in
yes,
the second one. So
yes.
in this one, he's the good guy trying to save Kajol's daughter.
Got it.
Who from the bad guy, whoever the bad guy is.
Okay.
And, like some corporate
okay.
espionage. Or isko because it's Bazigar, then maybe don't set it in the corporate world. Maybe set it somewhere else.
Formula 1. To bring it back.
Formula 1, I was like
Yeah.
gambling में कहीं पर set कर दो. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud.
Okay.
But अगर अब्बास पस्तान बनाएगा तो सब twist पे twist
हाँ,
पे
of
twist
course.
होएगा.
Yeah.
बाजीगर में ये है ना, एक चीज ये नहीं होगी, इतने मास्क नहीं उतारा.
Lenses पे रुक गए वो लोग.
इसको रीबूट करेगा तो कैसे होएगा?
I don't know. I can't think of anyone who can
It's
play.
very hard to reboot this now.
It's hard to
Like,
reboot.
it's-
Yeah. I mean, I just.
Why would you want to reboot?
And we actually have come back to that. I don't know if. Tell me what you guys think. We've come back to that point again where I don't think a Ranbir or a Ranveer would play a role again where they are murdering people and would want to sort of.
No, that they could. It just like Dawn and all are happening. So
No, apparently वो pause हो गया वापस because Farhan Akhtar is doing a film. मतलब he's acting in a film.
okay.
तो yeah.
हाँ, but he agreed to it at least. Yeah.
sequel would be much.
People
the reboot
people
would
are
be,
commenting Farhan कैमरा के पीछे वापस जा यार, क्या कर रहा है?
If it is a reboot somehow.
Then also reboot. There's no point because you kind of lose the value of the twist. In the
Right,
middle,
exactly.
Right. And I mean, you can script it in such a way that the girls don't find out who they're dating. But in this era of social media, it's
Exactly. I was
way
thinking
harder. You
social
can
media would
do
have
it, it's
totally
harder.
derailed this film.
Uh,
जैसी फोटो लिया वो टैग कर देगा उसको सब जगह दिख
He'd have to
जाएगा.
be like, I don't want to take photo. I have body image issues. And she'd be like, okay, lol, therapy. Like वैसा कुछ करना पड़ेगा उसको.
Fair enough.
तो हाँ, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल होता.
But I like the sequel idea. I think it's good.
हाँ,
Then and somehow again like Jawan we reveal at the midpoint that Shah Rukh was alive all along. Now he's in Daddy Shah Rukh makes a comeback.
I have an idea.
Yes.
So I think we give very little importance to Kajol's state of mind at the end
Right.
of the film.
Hmm.
Like, what is she supposed to feel about her dad and her fiance, who was supposed to be Shah Rukh Khan? Ki like, is she like ideal in an ideal world? She should be hating both of them. Ki because दोनों equal level evil है. शाहरुख का actual if you think about it on paper उसका कोई redemption नहीं हो रहा है. Despite तोरा तेरा
Correct.
कितना भी back story
नहीं,
होगा नहीं हो रहा है तेरा
He's a
redemption. तूने
bad-
दो
he's a
लोगों को मारा है
murderer.
और एक को
Yeah.
सूटकेस में डाला है, नहीं हो रहा तेरा redemption. So I'm thinking कि maybe like a sequel where maybe we just focus on Kajol and how she is trying to deal with this morals wala fight in her head. Like one part of her life goes into thinking that Shah Rukh was right because that was her immediate reaction also, right? So like we show from that ki she's trying to say ki my dad was wrong, and now it's like for any girl to look at her father in this light now in like bhari adulthood ki fuck, my dad was a bad guy all along. So I think that would be really interesting, and then her constant battle between who was worse and then like फिर वो क्या करेगी, then how she leads her life after that. Maybe like that is reflected in her decisions
You
after
know
What
that.
happens?
What?
What could happen is
Yeah.
she, because of the trauma, she loses her mind. She kind of gets some sort of amnesia, some sort of alternate reality. She becomes like, she just snaps, okay? And she leaves everything and she fucks off and she starts a new life. And she meets this guy
Huh?
who has long hair and is Sunny Deol's younger brother.
Bobby Deol. Yeah.
I was dramatic. It's not like I forgot his name. And then she starts murdering people around him.
Oh.
And that's when she becomes the killer.
It was the
Gup.
it was the
Gup,
Gup
gup.
cinematic
That
universe.
actually makes sense because in this version of the story,
Because
she
she loses
actually
it, right?
she loses it, and also like then we are showing that she actually goes with Shah Rukh Khan's way of world because Shah Rukh
Because
Khan in
she's
this,
given up on love. She
given-
she doesn't understand love, so she's
Yeah.
like obsessive about it because she lost the love, right? So now
Yeah.
whatever, if she finds Bobby Deol and projects onto him, then she's like, I want to have him at any cost. Fuck anybody else.
exactly because that's what
she
Shah Rukh
has
also
suffered
did.
that loss.
Yeah. So she feels that if you're siding with Shah Rukh, then you have to believe that अगर मुझे कोई चाहिए और कोई मेरे रास्ते में आड़ा तो मैं उसको सूटकेस में डालूंगी. So I think maybe that actually makes sense. She is like the Kajol and Gupt is like the unofficial love child of Shah Rukh and Kajol in Bazigar.
No, it's the same person. It's the same universe.
I know, same
The
person,
same universe. It's
but
lovely.
still,
It's
yeah,
lovely.
actually
Yeah.
See,
makes
that
sense.
that
yeah.
settles our double feature question
Done,
also.
done,
Just
done.
watch Gupt
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
Bazikar.
Nice.
My alternate film, alternate ending, whatever was. So you guys remember how Rakhi has this young infant girl that they think that has died, and
Yeah.
we see a young Shah Rukh bearing her and everything. Well, guess what? She's not actually dead.
Oh.
Okay. So what we do now is make an alternate version of Bazigar, where you show this as a cut scene or whatever, where it was actually the younger sister of Shah Rukh's character who was actually pulling the strings all along. So all the little coincidences that Kajol was finding, She finds out that her brother has become this off the charts mental person, wants to kill people. So now she wants to make him pay for the fact that you didn't even check that I wasn't dead. The fuck did you bury me alive, dude? And we can do a backstory where some.
I forget what they bury her, they burn
Yeah,
her, what
he
happened?
No,
buries
they bury
her,
her. They
right?
burn the father,
Oh,
and for some reason they bury the little child in a coffin. But we can show something where a old grave.
बच्चों को जलाते नहीं है क्या? Sorry, just a question.
I also thought of
don't
that,
know.
but
Yeah.
I don't think that's a thing.
No.
We don't need to go there. That's cool because I was thinking, but then
Something like
because I
that.
was like, like the twist could be sisters alive is one thought I had, but then I was like, they show, I think, but ये
They
cool
very
है,
much,
but
yeah,
they cool
show
है.
the,
If they
something
have
like
to
that.
show the sister as being alive, then we have to show that Shah Rukh Khan buried something
If
else
the
instead
sister
of her.
is alive,
Yeah.
no, then it's like somebody dug her out or something.
That's what an old grave
Some-
kabristan ka rakhne wala at
Whatever,
the end
and then
heard someone crying, "Arey, ye
she
to
was
bachchi zinda hai."
in the Abbas Mastan universe, that much you can
Yeah.
imagine.
Yeah.
In their trauma, they imagine she was dead. She was
Yes.
had a fever, whatever,
Yeah,
some shit.
yeah.
Oh, then I don't think she should blame frame Shah Rukh.
Then
All of this happens. She grows up independently, like
Okay.
somebody else adopts her
Yeah,
or whatever. Right? She grows up independently and she finds out the truth later. Then she's like, this Kajol bitch is still alive. Gotta take her down.
gonna end Madan Chopra's line lineage
Yeah.
altogether.
Yeah, because these bitches are not done taking their revenge.
Yeah.
आपका family
Sharma.
business क्या है? Pharmaceuticals और बदला.
But yeah, I think all of us have given our best shot at Abbas.
Yeah, yeah, I think yeah.
So yeah, tell us what you think will be the sequel idea. Yeah, and I'm right here. I just need a Mastan. Yeah. Anyway, on that bad
What a
joke.
weird way to ask for a date. Abbas. It's a podcast about film, not not a what do you call memoir of a loneliness. But it's okay if there's any Mastan or Mastani.
Yeah, please, Mastanis, please
go for
write
it.
to me. Baji Raos will also do. We are on podcast brain for 1.5 hours.
वापस ले बोला बाजरा वाला मत ले वापस ले भाई.
Ashish, I love how
Yeah, I know.
your past
I know.
follows you everywhere
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go.
yeah. I'm Vicky Malthole. It's haunted. Haunted.
Anyway, Ashish, thank you so much for taking time out and being on this podcast. Anything that you want us that you've done recently that we can check out, or people you want people to follow you on social media, please.
Yeah,
tell
just
us.
follow me on social media, dude. Fuck it. मैं भी influencer बनेगा.
Are you doing stand-up?
Yeah, I've taken a break. I'm coming back right now. So I'll be performing at Habitat
Alright.
and a bunch of other places, trying some new material and stuff.
Cool. All right. So look out for that. And Urjita, where can people find you?
You guys can come for my live shows. I am performing in Gujarat, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, and in Mumbai, Spades Live, and in Delhi also. Happy High. Yeah, Happy High. Sorry, Happy High. And yeah, please.
Why do I remember the venue and you don't? Anyway.
Please follow me on Instagram @Urjitawani and love you very much.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Ticket links for Urjita's shows will be in the description. So will be Ashish's social media handle. And you can follow me on Twitter @AbbasMomin and on Instagram as AbbasMomin88. Once again, thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Urjita. And one last time, if you're watching us on YouTube, please leave your comments. What do you like? What you dislike? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with anyone you think who likes Bazigar or who likes Shah Rukh. And if you're listening to us on an audio platform, please rate and review us wherever you can. It helps us reach more people. All right. With that, we've come to the end of the Bazigar episode. We'll see you next time with a new guest and a new movie. Till then, bye-bye.
IVM